Welcome to Golden Heart. Today I'll be presenting to you applies one high elastic stacking to the patient or to Mrs. Jones. Was can I come in? CNA Mario, can I check your wristband? Mrs. Jones, Mary Jones? Mrs. Jones, alright, Mrs. Jones, I'm instructed by the nurse to apply one high knee elastic stacking to your foot. And here is your call light. And within your reach, your bed is locked, the side rail are up. Let me just go get the supplies and we'll start. And I have here my elastic stacking, which I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna make sure that this part of the heel goes to your heel, Mrs. Jones, and I'm gonna make sure that there will be no wrinkles. Go. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. So I have the elastic stacking with you, Mrs. Jones. I'm gonna do the same thing on your other foot. And I'm gonna cover you to maintain your privacy. And here is your call light. And within your reach, your bed is locked. The side rail are up. Side rail are up here. Your bed is locked here. Your body is aligned. Your bed is in low position. Here is your side table. You can reach. And I'm gonna wash my hands and report and record. Skills complete.